Okay, this is a video on the verses last night. Okay, if y'all go on YouTube and read, if y'all go on YouTube and read the comments, Thursday night about Bone Thugs, Harmony, and versus 3 6 Mafia. If y'all go on YouTube and read the comments they are saying, they is going crazy by they going crazy. Come on, yeah, 3 6 Mafia murdered Bone Thugs and Harmony, and 3 6 Mafia won the verses. No, that's not true. They did that they did the verses. The reason why they did the verses is because of the years, all the years. That's not what verses is about. Verses is about celebrating the era and the years. That's all it's about. And see, sometimes they say, who you going against? See, I went from, hands down, I went from Bone Thugs. Because they got a calorie of songs. I mean, a book of songs and hits. And the reason why they ain't play some of them in the verses because most of them songs got cussing words in it. I mean, straight up cussing because Eazy was in those. But I mean, even 3 6 Mafia, they cuss in their songs anyway, all the time. And most of their songs, it's like for like most of the songs they did was like for clubs. Bone Thugs, they weren't like that. They was down with eazy, Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg. They did stuff Tupac, Biggie, Jay-Z. They did songs with them. What did 3 6 Mafia do? Y'all had a couple, but not like Bone Thugs. Y'all had a couple folks in y'all videos, but Bone Thugs had way more than y'all did. Bone Thugs was way more popular than y'all was. So all these folks writing all these comments on YouTube, y'all need to stop. Straight up, y'all need to stop. Yes, y'all do, because Bone Thugs, I don't want to say it, but it's true. If it wasn't for Eazy putting them out there in the street, and boys to men, yeah, baby, Left Eye, TLC, who else? Queen Latifah, Rod Digger, come on now. Boys in the hood is always hot. That too. That's all I gotta say.